When it comes to high-tech, precision-crafted, smart security, there's one brand that sets itself apart: VAULTEK. And this is the VAULTEK VS20i, a rugged, compact, quick biometric access smart safe. Right out of the box, the first thing that you notice is the fit and finish. It's impeccable and highly noticeable that VAULTEK is thoughtful about every detail. It looks stunning. Constructed using a progressive forming technique, the VS20i is built from rugged 16-gauge carbon steel with an anti-corrosive powder coat. Quick access is paramount with any VAULTEK safe, and the built-in proximity sensor proves just that. The safe wakes up as soon as your hand comes near the keypad, perfect for low light situations. When speed matters, the safe is set and ready. A 4 to 8 digit code can be entered into the rapid fire keypad, or you can use the high resolution biometric scanner that can store up to 20 fingerprints. And backup key entry is also available. Once accessed, the auto open spring-loaded lid will never cease to satisfy. An interior LED light illuminates the inside of the safe so that you can quickly locate your items. On-demand access is available with the VS20i using the Nano Key 2.0. Sold separately, this specifically designed accessory for Bluetooth 2.0 safes offers instant access with the press of a button. With the included mounting bracket, you can hide and mount the Nano Key 2.0 out of sight and use it as a panic button or discreet safe access. The build quality is in a league of its own. At the safe's core is a patented dual anti-impact latch system to keep the safe locked tight. Combine that with the interior reinforced hinges, reinforced anti-pry bars, signature 16-gauge unibody steel enclosures, quick-release steel security cable mount, and pre-drilled holes for mounting using the included hardware, and you get the peace of mind security that only comes from VAULTEK. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery can provide you with power for up to 6 months off of a single charge. An integrated power port in the side of the safe makes recharging easily accessible, but you can leave the safe plugged in continually if you prefer. You can even check the battery level using the VAULTEK Bluetooth app with the redesigned user interface to manage your safe right from the palm of your hand. Monitoring, tampering, view a history log for safe activity, name fingerprints, and check power levels. If the battery is running low, the safe will indicate when it's ready to be recharged. The one key will start flashing. And for added convenience, you can check the battery level directly from the safe by using one of the available hotkey shortcuts. You can even check for tampering, toggle sound options, or customize safe options right from the safe's keypad. 20 series comes fully equipped with everything that you need: manual backup keys, a 4-foot heavy-duty steel security cable, mounting hardware, and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with charger. The 20 series size is perfect to store a compact handgun plus a few mags. Or you can of course store smaller EDC and travel gear. The VS20i offers roomy compact space, smart tech, precision engineering, and even comes in a range of available colors.
Barska's line of biometric safes is the ultimate in quick access to your valuables. Securely scan your fingerprint within seconds without the need to waste time entering a combination or bringing keys. Barska's biometric fingerprint scanners are the highest resolution and advanced in the safe industry. Popular models such as our standard size biometric safe AX11224 features silent access mode, 120 fingerprint user memory, motorized deadbolts, and an approved firearm storage device by the California DOJ. So with this in mind, we here at Barska create peace of mind for you and your loved ones.
Safety behaviors are part of our daily routines. Locking your firearm should be at the top of your list of these automatic behaviors. SentrySafe pistol safes deliver the assurance that your gun is properly secured to reduce the chance of accidents, while still providing quick, reliable access to your firearm when it matters most. The QAP2BEL model combines the strength and security of our quick access pistol safes with top-of-the-line features, biometric fingerprint technology, extra storage for 2 handguns and ammunition, and better visibility with an interior LED light. SentrySafe pistol safes deliver innovative and tactical firearm storage. SentrySafe, creating peace of mind for a lifetime.
If programmed properly, Barska's biometric rifle safe will unlock on the first attempt. Each fingerprint scan will take approximately 2.46 to 2.56 seconds, making the rifle safe, perfect for home defense, child-proof gun storage, and theft deterrence. To program the biometric rifle safe, place your finger properly at the center of the sensor and scan. Scan the same finger multiple times at varying angles. Scan your finger higher on the sensor, lower on the sensor, diagonally, and at other odd angles. The more times you scan the same finger in different positions, the higher the scanner reliability will become. You'll be able to unlock the biometric safe on the first attempt, even at night or during high-stress situations.